How to enable dark mode in Zoho Mail. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your browser, navigate to the Zoho Mail website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to turn on the dark mode, you need to go to your settings. Here in this home screen at the top right corner, you can see the settings icon. Click on it. In the settings menu in the left hand side, make sure that you are on this system panel. Now scroll down in the system panel, and over here you can see this theme section. Right now it is selected to the light theme. Now in order to switch it to the dark mode, you can simply click on this dark. If you want the appearance to be in the night mode, you can even turn on that. Once you do that, the changes have been applied, and as you can see, the dark mode has been successfully enabled in your Zoho Mail website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.